Quick change out, taking the old Big Bend emblems off Bronco and putting the old script that everybody's seen. It's hard to tell, but the script logo on to look a little better. Plastic, not metal. Just gotta be patient. I didn't even use a heat gun, I've got one, but it's a hot day, even though I've got air going in here in the shop. Just take your time, again, with a plastic trim tool, and comes off, it's no big deal. So a little bit of this should take this residual right off. Yep. That looks good. Of course, this is from the Great Smoky Mountain Bronco Stampede. All right, here we go. It's amazing, these little things are like 60 bucks, well, 30 bucks a piece, I guess. It's a little ridiculous, but whatever. About right. All right, better. So, same process. I said I could put a heat gun on this, and if it wasn't such a warm day, I would. That would still help, because like a dumbass, I pulled in here, turned the air conditioner on in the shop. I should have peeled these off while it was outside hot, but I like to do stuff the dumbass way. Here we go again. I wonder if at the factory, I suppose a robot does this, but some guy sitting there with tape and measuring, kind of doubt it. All right, that's it. It's good. It's better.